guys, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm sharing with you two hauls. One was from Club Factory. I ordered these products last November and I got them delivered this January, and it has been in storage since then, and I'm showing it to you now. The next one is things that I found cleaning my room. I recently, about 2.5 months ago, I cleaned my room, which was really very messy, and I'll try to do that video next. So without further ado, let's get started. This was how the package looked like. It came in one big bundle. I was actually a bit upset it didn't come for Christmas. The first one was these pretty big silver baubles. The next one was miniature cutouts, and I think it was a pack of 100 pieces. They had snowflakes and reindeers and Christmas trees. And finally, it was this red tree skirt. Moving on. Next, I'm going to show you some Christmas decorations that I didn't know I had. I actually found these by cleaning my room. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be notified when that video goes up. So starting this tree. I think it's a 1.5 foot tree. And of course, it had stands. Next, a pack of these next, the next one was gold beads. Next one, purple beads. Ornaments. It's so impacting in the cover. There's this bell ornament. Next, I had this styrofoam snowflake. I had a pack of these thermocol balls. Let me take it out to show you the color has changed. Look how pretty they look. These marbleized effects. See how pretty they look. I love the colors. Moving on. I have this pretty tree ornament with the bells and a little shadow. I have this deer ornament. star ornament. Next, a pack of 6 baubles, blue and silver, or maybe they were also blue and the color's gone. Next, a pretty reindeer. And finally, 2 wreaths. And now I'm gonna start decorating. So be sure to tune in for my decorating videos. Hope you like this haul. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye bye. My Jesus loves you.